Okay, so here's the pillow that I made from my husband's work shirt. And here are the rhinestones I want to put on as buttons. Here is my glue gun. So we're going to glue these rhinestones onto this pillow. I'm always working against myself just to do a video. I don't know why. I need to do better, but I'm always procrastinating and I'm always in a hurry. I always have extra things to do. See the glue stick stuck on the glue gun? Ha ha. Anywho. One more to go. I still haven't gotten around to shampooing this rug, but I will get it done before I go to sleep tonight. Last button. This is a DIY Thanksgiving. I want to say hunter green, dark green, so many greens, but this came from my husband's work shirt. Yeah, he works for that company. And this is a robe that I got off AliExpress. It was supposed to be a 16, but it ended up being like for a 4-year-old. So they say order a 4X for a size 16. I had to cut it to get it, to make it into a pillow. But y'all, so there's the pillow. I know it's wrinkled, but I'm also going to be showcasing my Steam Fast garment steamer. So I'm going to show that a little bit later. And that darker green pillow I got from Walmart for $6.88. I thought that was so cute, so I bought two. And there's the work shirt with the rhinestones on it into a DIY 18 by 18 pillow insert. Yeah, I dosed the rhinestones, and that material is like well, anyway, this is my Steam Fast garment steamer.
Okay, you all. So
we're going to try to work with one hand and show you how this thing works.
Deluxe compact garment steamer.
Yeah, that's the box. It was $14.88 from Walmart, and we're going to steam press this pillow.
She's already plugged in.
There's the steamer.
So I have my cup of water right there.
Yeah, I found it at Walmart. I wanted to order it offline, but I saw it at the store while I was at the store, so I grabbed it, and it was the only one. So we're gonna
from the top, and you twist her to
turn it to the right to unlock it.
Her up. She has an on and off switch right here.
Has an on and off. 0 means off. The line means on.
That's how she
I got some calcium built up because my hubby left some water in it, and you're not supposed to leave water in it. But let's pour some more water in it to get the steam going. It's already plugged up, and that's max and that's minimal of amount of water you can put in. Do not overfill. You will definitely get burned. And you push this back on, and you press it to the right to close. Left is open. I'm really trying with one hand, and it's unsuccessful. Let me be right back. So I'm back, and it's closed. I don't know why this, but I did have it where you guys can hear that it was bubbling up, and you can hear it. You can hear it getting ready to give me some steam. It was bubbling up extremely hard and harder and harder. Anywho,
meanwhile, it says
warning and maintenance. I did read this, but I'm not going to read this from video
to release mineral buildup
I did read it out
and
loud
empty
at one
tank.
point. Anywho,
focus.
To see the light is blue, that means it's on.
Overfilling boiler or
and I will continue to work against myself because I am a spur of the moment person.
Out of the steam nozzle.
And I'm always doing stuff when it's right there in my face instead of setting it up and organize it. So let's read. It said, well, we're not going to read that, but we will read this one. Steam Fast, perfectly smooth fabric, 100% chemical free.
Steam Fast is the chemical free water Chemical-free
Yes,
water conserving,
ma'am.
low
I did
wear
read
and
this out
tear.
loud, but
Ways to
somehow,
keep things
I
looking
guess
their
because I'm
best.
doing a voiceover, it will not come through. And this is how it's
So,
looking
don't you
on
hear
the
her?
box.
Everything's a her.
And those are the little holes that the steam comes out of. I shouldn't be doing this
That's
under
her.
my 65-inch TV.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that I do not
I will
harm.
always work against myself.
I
really
do
do.
stuff at the spur of the
Anywho,
moment.
put her
Anywho,
here.
let's grab this pillow
Let's
and
get some
start to
wrinkles
steam
out
press it.
of this fabric.
Yeah, I'm working against myself. But we're going to sit it down here on this basket and steam press. And it says do not tilt. And what do I go do? I tilt. Don't tilt or you're going to get watermarks. See? More watermarks.
Shouldn't be tilting her, y'all, but I'm working against myself.
But it will dry clean.
Don't do what I'm doing.
You see the steam coming out? We're steam pressing. Simple and
it says do not
easy.
tilt her, and what I go do, tilt. Anywho, the wrinkles are coming out.
Working against myself instead of having this on the flat surface or hanging up on a little rod. This is how I chose to do it. Do not be like me. I need to go to the store, but yet I'm filming a video and I have 1 hour. It's 3:07. I have less than an hour. Anywho, we will continue to steam press this satin DIY pillow that I made for Thanksgiving. I wanted my front room to be green, like a dark green. So I picked multi-colors of different greens. That was like a dark green. Anywho, those two arrows line up to tell you that it's locked. Let's cut it off.
She works.
Let's grab this DIY pillow.
This is my review on her.
The
And I've had her for
rhinestones
about
that we
2
made
months
from a
now,
satin
y'all.
robe
I'm just slow
that fits
with
a
my
4-year-old. Thank you, AliExpress. This is why I don't like ordering offline. Anywho,
this video
let's
will
take
be
it over to
combined
the couch
with my DIY Thanksgiving pillows.
and sit it next to the gray
So
pillow.
I made this one out of a robe that I got off
Gorgeous.
AliExpress.
And it
But
came
for
from
some
this
reason,
little robe.
Which a 4X
Yes,
is
it
a size
did.
16 on AliExpress. I asked for a 4X and they gave me a 4 in
That
toddlers.
color is so vibrant
Should
and
I say
beautiful.
toddlers or little kids? They gave me a size 4 in little kids.
It's
So
gonna
what
sit
better
right
to
here on
do
my couch just for
with a
decoration.
$12 robe?
And
is
it's
to
an
make it into a
insert, so
$12
I will be
pillowcase.
I will
Anywho,
definitely be taking it
so
off
my 4-year-old
when I
granddaughter
want to
could
do
fit
other
this.
colors.
I'm
I
just
didn't
saying,
make it to
when
stay
I had
permanently. I
Bryce,
only made
she
for
could
it
fit
to
that. And I
be
can't fit
an
that. It was
insert.
supposed to be a size 16.
I can use it
which
whenever
is
I
China's
want.
4X. Anyhow, so
And here's my
put
other
rhinestones
DIY
on these
pillow.
both. And this was made out of my husband's work shirt.
Look at that green. It looks more
They're
like
easy
an
to
army
come off,
green now
so
that
they're
I
like
see it on
pillow-
camera. But in person, it's
throw
like a
pillow
forest
cases.
green. But you know,
should be
cameras
ironing this one too,
don't
right?
give you what you
This is
actually
like a
have.
forest green.
Anywho,
This one is like a regular green.
yeah,
and
those
if
are my
it's
2
showing up yellow
DIY
green or
pillows
Kelly
in
I'll
green.
take that. Look at this beautiful pillow
Yeah.
that Walmart had for
So,
$6.88. It is so plush.
This pillow came from Walmart for
plush,
$6.88.
plush.
It's so plushy. I
And
feel
I
so
got
good.
this
It's soft.
fabric, which
And
is
this
like
was some material that I got on
tablecloth
sale for
fabric.
$2.97 from
It was,
Walmart. It's
you know,
more like a
it's glass on the wall, so they gave me a
fabric.
yard,
It makes noise. Like it's like
so I
plastic
ended up
like.
making
And I love this so much. I said, let me just
what
make a
is this,
pillow out
26
of
by
it.
26
Because
pillow?
I
Only
did
on the
want this
front.
for my outside patio. And it may end up going out there. I only did one half of it. Y'all never mind the bluish on my pillow because I was using that Mrs. Stewart stuff and it didn't go well in the washer. Anywho, I bought 2 of those pillows for $6.88 and they come in a multitude of colors. Like I think I saw like 4 different colors. And here's my white pillow. I bought some gray silver with some gray tulle with silver on it, and that was that pillow with some glitter. And so I made 3 of those cloth pillows. Those like that material that I got for $2.97. I made 3 of those. So I have these 2 long pillows. Yeah, I was showing you that it makes noise, so it's like a plastic.
I ended up making
And I
3 pillows
didn't do both sides of the pillow because I wanted to be able to take this off. whenever I
material.
want my gray pillows
And
back.
one emerald green,
So,
or should I
none
say
of these
forest
pillows
green
are
pillow out of
permanent.
my husband's work shirt.
Easy to come
And that
off.
satin robe that
Easy
I
to
couldn't
put back
fit, that a
on.
4-year-old could.
And
I made
there
one
you
out of
have
that and
it.
just put
I have
rhinestones on both.
four
And there
actually
you
pillows.
have it.
5?
My
Yeah,
review
5
of the
pillows that I
Steam
DIY'd. And I bought the
Steamer
Tule to go
and my
on that
DIY
one pillow that looks
Thanksgiving
white, but it's
emerald
actually
green
glittered in
and
Tule. And I just laid it on top of a white pillow
pillows.
and put it together.
Bye, y'all.
So there you have it. Back to the Steam Fast press. I don't know why. Oh, it's a picture. And enjoy my little Cabbage Patch with his My Little Piggy. Well, that was Winnie the Pooh. Mama's boy, my little chunk butt. Y'all, he gets better every time I see him, my little baby. He gets more and more chunky. Yes, him do. His first Halloween. Bye, y'all.